Hello everyone, I'm Rytas Pakrosnis and I'm glad that today I can present the solution-focused computerized self-help program that we have been developing together with my colleague Victoria Čepukienė at Vytautas Magnus University in Kaunas, Lithuania. The program that I'm talking about is a standalone, or in other words, unguided, computerized program based on the internet. So you don't have to download anything. You just go to the website, create your own account, and then every 5 days you would go back, and every time you would get different solution focused questions. At the first step, the program invites you to think about your life and choose the issue or the goal or a life area that you would like to improve. And then once you do that, you go farther. And as I mentioned, every time different solution focused questions would be provided, and you think about this life area or this goal, look at it from different angles, and the program helps you to move towards your goal. So as I mentioned, no people are involved in this program. It's completely automatic, and students can work on their own. Every time before the meeting, they would get the email with the reminder that you need to go back to the program. It's waiting for you. And so you can go back to this website and then continue your work. And if we look at the outline of solution-focused computerized self-help program, we can see here that the total length of it is 33 days. So every 5 days, you would go back to the program and visit different planet, as I mentioned, because the program is created around the story of going on the spaceship, going through the space towards your goal. So every time you would go back, you would visit different planet, and in every planet you would have some small story based on one of the solution-focused elements, questions, themes, or topics. Okay, so as we can see here, like step number 2, for example, planet of preferred future. So participants would be invited to think about how they want their future to be. Then planet of successful past. They would look for exceptions and other things. And so every time you would go back and explore a different topic. Okay, so now we have a chance to look inside of the program, how it goes and how it looks. So you can see here that we have this initial screen with 5 planets and the star. The star represents your goal. And then we have the spaceship. So we go into the spaceship, and then different screens pop out, asking questions, allowing you to write your answers in. Actually, the story goes that the board computer is assisting you with the travel, and kind of you're communicating with the board computer. As I mentioned, there's no personnel involved. It's total automatic process, and this imaginative board computer guides you through the process. So I will move forward just to show you several kind of clips of this program. So it's the planet number 1, where you would think about your preferred future and answer different questions, write down the answers. Then another planet with the lakes there, so you would look at those lakes and imagine the successful past, some kind of pieces of this preferred future happening in your past. Then another planet here, and the last planet, 3 screens. Each screen would represent your past, your present, and your future. So different questions related to that would pop out. And so you go through this process 30-something days, as I mentioned before. Me and my colleague Victoria, as I mentioned, we started developing this program in 2008. And actually we started from pencil paper worksheets, and then moved to some initial prototypes of computerized program. And in 2017, we launched the solution-focused computerized self-help program online, and we offer this program as one of the services at Vytautas Magnus University Psychology Clinics since 2017. As I already said, the program was launched online in 2017, so all the students of Vytautas Magnus University can use this program. And around 30 to 40 students every year use the program. And well, talking about the outcome, we think that the outcome is good. We are collecting some data for the outcome. And for example, the problem that the participants bring into the program and they work towards their goals or something. So this problem we're measuring on a 10-point scale. It's a subjective measure, but still. So the average number among all the participants improves from 4.1 to 7.2 during the program, which is, I think, quite impressive improvement from 4 to 7. Then we also measure psychosocial functioning using outcome questionnaire, OQ 45.2. And our statistics show that this psychosocial functioning increases significantly among participants. And then we also ask participants about the usefulness and acceptability of the program, and they evaluate these aspects on the 10-point scale as 7, 8. Okay, so not bad. And 92% of our participants say that they would recommend this program to their friends and other people that would need it. So to finish up this presentation, I can say that this computerized program we think is a good tool for students. We're not saying it's a substitute for face-to-face counseling. We're providing face-to-face counseling as well, but we think that it's one of the methods, one of the tools that students can use when they cannot go to face-to-face counseling because, for example, we have a long waiting list sometimes. We have summer vacation, so students can receive this kind of help anytime on their own pace, which is good, I think. Okay, so thank you for watching. Hope it was useful and good luck with your project and see you in the future. Bye.